Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sarzi. I'm going to be unboxing a new toy, and as you all guys know, I recently just posted, maybe like 2 days or 3 days ago, I just posted my unboxing kitchen set video, so be sure to go ahead and check that out. And today we're gonna be opening this mini mixer playset, new style, and this is safe and idle for little cooks. And it says battery operated. Mini mixer playset, and on the back of the box it says you can do all the things with it. So you get a mixer and a blender. So it's pretty cool, and let's get started. I'm really excited because I really love blender and mixer. Ooh, this is the blender. There's a sticker. And then here are the measurements. And when you open this lid up, you get an egg. There's nothing inside, but it's pretty cool. You can store an egg to play with, and it doesn't have any blade in it. Oh, now I know. When I bought this home, I dropped it by mistake. Mistakenly, I dropped it and it crashed. So that means from that accident, the blade just came off. And now I don't know where the blade is. I'm pretty sorry for this blender. And oh, here you have to operate the batteries. So we are done with the blender. We're gonna move on to the mixer. For our mixer, we are gonna open the next side. It comes with a bowl. Look at that. It's so pretty. The bowl, it has a purplish, pinkish kind of shade. You can see color, whatever. And here is the mixer. You lift it up, and when you lift it up, you will see the place where you operate the batteries. And here is, what is this called? This called a mixer, or this called a blade, or this called to mix. So as you can see, the base at the bottom, there's a hole where you place your, so I'm gonna lift it up, get the bowl inside, and I'm gonna be right back by putting in the batteries. So, and I'm back. So as you can see, I have operated the batteries. And I didn't show you guys that I'm operating the batteries because it's going to be taking a lot of time, and it's just going to be a waste of time. So here is the button that you push on the side to make it work. Let's see. Ooh! This is so awesome. Hey, pretty cool. Now it's time for the blender. I know it doesn't have any blade, but it's okay. when I took this cup out and put this cup aside, and take a look at this. There's a little square because we don't have a blade. Let's turn it on. This is spinning. Let's put the egg on this cube and see what happens. This is fun. Here is a little spout from which we can pour. Like, it's actually looking pretty cool. I'm gonna get the egg and go with the mixer. So I have my mixer over here. I'm gonna lift it up and put my egg inside. This is not fun. If I would have the blade on the blender, it would be awesome to play with the blender, and my most favorite thing was the blender. So that is it for this unboxing video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, be sure to subscribe down below and hit that bell notification. My throat is really dry. I don't know why. Okay, we're gonna continue. So be sure to hit that subscribe button down below and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified every single time when I post new videos. And you have to like, comment, and share. I would really appreciate. And bye, guys.